Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Messenger. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.